Hey guys, so I'm in the middle of doing a transmission oil and filter change on this 2014 Dodge Grand Caravan. And when I was under there, I noticed these transmission lines right here were wet on the bottom and kind of dripping a little bit. So I went to the dealer and got some new lines while the transmission was draining. And that's the part number there. So like I said, this is a 14. So we'll go ahead and do that now while we got this transmission pan off. So first things first, we'll get this cross member off here. It's metal. So there's some 10mm bolts here, plastic clips right here. So let's go ahead and get these off. On these plastic clips, just pop the center up and you should be able to get them out. Just like that. I got all those out, and there's two more right here in the corners. Right there. And then it'll be these two right here. Alright, so we'll go ahead and get these last four out. Got all that off. Now these two that hold the hood latch on, these two stay. So this should just lift out of here. And the cable's still on here. You just want to be careful not to ground out your battery. So we'll just set this up here, like that. All right, now with that out of the way, you can see where the lines go into the cooler, right here. And one has this gray plastic on it, the other one's got black. So go ahead and get that, just push that away like that. And now we can take a little tool and get this clip off of here. Okay, so now I got a little clip like this. I'm gonna try to get this in there and hopefully not lose it. All right, our trusty magnet to the rescue. And there it is. That's what it looks like. And that line should pull right out of there like that. And we'll go ahead and get this other one off. Okay, got these two off, and now we've got these two on top of the transmission here, and it's basically the same thing. All right, so this black is on the left and gray is on the right. All right, so all 4 clips are out. So now I can go ahead and these lines should come out of here. I'll pull these out of the transmission first. All right, there's the old ones. You can see evidence that they were seeping, and like there's what I noticed underneath, this oil buildup right there. All right, let's go ahead and get the new ones on. Okay, then just sneak your new lines under the battery. Just want to be careful not to get any debris on the end where that would go in your transmission. Okay, so we got these just kind of plugged in. They kind of just snap in, and then so make sure there's no crud on this. And then this black one goes on the left. And the gray goes on the right. And now we'll put the clips back in. Okay, we got the bottom clip in, now I'll put the top one in. Just like that, and then these plastic covers will go on. Like that. All right, so these are on. Now I have to do the ones on top of the transmission. Okay, new lines are in. So, wasn't too bad of a job. The clips can be a little funny. They might go flying on you, but other than that, it's not bad at all. All right, so I'll go ahead and wrap this up, put this cross member back, and should be good. All right, check out my other Grand Caravan videos. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. See you on the next one.